Hello, first year experienced students. I'm going to just go over the requirements for the assignment this week. So go ahead and scroll down to August 31st to September 6th, and you're going to see one online assignment. It says Highland Ag Curriculum Guide Activity. So if you click on that, then there's another spot for you to click. It says click here for assignment requirements. So we're going to go ahead and open up that Google Doc, and the instructions here are just to utilize these resources. So there's 6 linked resources here. I'm going to open up a couple of those to complete the chart below, and then you're going to answer the questions that follow. So there's just 2 questions that follow at the end of this assignment. So let's look here at exactly what the chart is asking. So the chart outlines the different pathways that Highland Agriculture offers. So ag business, agricultural education, animal science, crop and soil science, food science, horticulture, precision agriculture, agricultural technician, and commercial applicator. Those are all different pathways. Within those pathways, you can get multiple types of degrees for some of them. Some of these are only certificate programs, so they're just 1-year programs. Some of them have a certificate program as well as a associates of science or arts degree, associate's degree that would lead you to a bachelor's. And then some of them are just 2-year degrees, which is our applied science degree. That's a 2-year degree. With the information that is posted here, you are going to be able to get the answers to all of these questions in this chart. Okay, so we're looking at what types of degrees are offered for, let's just start with ag business. And then we're looking to summarize the type of work and employment that could be involved with this pathway. Then we're looking to identify a few careers that you could pursue if you got a degree in that pathway. And then we're just looking for 1 to 2 classes that sound most interesting to you within that pathway. So a couple places you're going to get this, you are going to get this information. The first place that you can look to get this information is the Highland Agriculture Curriculum Guide, which is the first link. This is 33 pages, so it can be a little bit overwhelming, but as you scroll down, you're going to see the places that you need to go to. And all of the answers for that first column are really going to be on this first page. Okay, so agribusiness was the first thing that we were looking for, and the first question that we want to answer is what types of degrees are offered within that pathway. Well, we see that ag business is one of the transfer pathways, so that's going to be one of those associate degrees. And then we also see ag business listed as an associate's of applied science, and then we don't see it anywhere else. So for the curriculum guide for the types of degrees offered for ag business, you would just write, I would accept a couple answers. I would accept transfer degree, to bachelor's, or you could do an associate's degree. That's kind of the same thing. And then I also want to see listed here the applied science degree. And it's actually the applied, it's actually it's the applied science. Okay, that's where it's listed. The Associates of Applied Science is ag business. Okay, so applied science. So the 2 degrees that you can get for ag business. Again, some of them just have 1 degree option, and some of them have multiple degree options. You'll have to look through this page and see what you can find there. You're going to summarize the nature of the work and the employment for this pathway. So we can find this information actually in 3 different places. First, we can look on page 4. It's going to give us some more information about ag business. Then we can also look on page 13. That's going to give us some more information about ag business. So on page 4, talks about nature, work, and employment. Please don't just copy and paste that. Less is more. I want you to summarize that information, put it in your own words, and let me know that you understand what a degree in ag business could potentially get you. So that was page 14. And then if we go down to page 13, we're going to see some more information on ag business. Again, this is the 2-year degree, and we talk a little bit about nature of work and employment too. So I want to see some information, potentially from both of those resources. The third place that you can get the information is from this ag business handout. So this, I'm going to open up here in a new tab, is just kind of a condensed version. There's a little bit different information here, but I expect you to read through this as well and see what other information you can pull from here. Courses are listed on this handout as well as listed in the curriculum guide handout for that last column, 1 to 2 classes that sound interesting to you. As far as careers, those are listed in all of those places as well. So in the ag curriculum guide, you should see, although I'm not seeing it, some career examples. Those might be more in the, let's see if there's any in the certificate. I guess they didn't make the cut to the final draft here, but you can find some lists in the career field on some of these handouts. If you need help with that section, just let me know. Okay, so that's what we're looking to pull from those handouts. That's the information we're looking to pull. And then finally, you're just going to answer these last 2 questions. Basically, which pathway or pathways are you considering? And it's okay if you're unsure. You can list several that you're interested in. And then what specific degree, whether you're really looking for that transfer degree, that 2-year degree, or the certificate. Again, if you're undecided, that's fine too. Just state that. So when you access this document, you can make a copy of it. So you could go file, make a copy, put it in your drive, and then you'd be able to edit it. Or you can download it as go file, download as a Microsoft Word document, and that would be something that you could easily edit to turn in as well. Okay, so this assignment will be due at the beginning of class next week. Good luck and reach out if you have any questions. All right, thank you.